Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very creative and very mesmerizing and eye-catching design ideas based, and you will be amazed to see that how unique, creative, stylish and at the same time easy to make design ideas have been shared with you. And I bet that nobody has ever shared with you these trendy and amazing design ideas in the way of suggestions and opinion which I am going to give you. But before that, I have a simple request to you that if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel or you are watching my videos for the very first time, then friends, kindly don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing do press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. So friends, what I'm going to tell you is that would grab your attention that our today's video contains two parts. That is, today's video is based on two basic main important categories of hand art, hand designing, that is silk ribbon embroidery, and hand embroidery, that is thread embroidery. All of these are different perspectives of embroidery, hand art, but the video is divided into two parts. So first of all, we are going to discuss the designs of silk ribbon embroidery. You can make these embroidery flowers onto your face masks, onto your different types of fashionable accessory items, even like glasses covers, like mobile cases, like your handbags that are made up of fabric material, leather bags, like some handmade hand knitted shoes, some other different very beautifully designed and crafted hand art. So girls favorable accessories like hairpins, hair clips, like handmade jewelry, pendants, earrings, bracelets, but these patterns would be used as in the size of small patterns. So now we have been moved to the next part of our video, that is a hand embroidery pattern. Friends, different designer style, trendy, beautiful and extremely eye-catching design ideas of face masks have been shared with you, and at the same time they are very easy to make. You will feel very comfortable while making them. Not a lot of your effort would be required, only focus attention would be required to make these. So my only request to you is kindly do make them with a little more effort, so that you would be amazed to see that how creative and productive you are. So utilize your leisure time, free time by making a very beautiful product and designer style product. This is also an opportunistic video for you to get crazy, stylish and trendy amazing design pattern ideas, that how you can design a very wide variety of design ideas of mask or handmade, hand embroidered stuff for your clients. If you are an earner, or you have a business, or you just have startup and you are in search of very classy and massively attention grabbing attractive hand embroidery design patterns for your clients. So I hope that my today's video design ideas, my opinions and suggestions are helpful for you, and you have make up your mind that how you are going to design your stuff. So thank you so much for watching. Once again, I have a simple request that don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and meet you soon in next video. Kindly it's my humble request that please do make a habit of wearing mask while going out. Not only you, but you, if you will not wear mask while going out, you will also put in danger the life of the persons around you as well. So show some humanity, and because no religion is bigger than humanity, every religion teaches humanity, and it's important to take care of ourselves and as well as the ones around ourselves. So thank you so much for watching. Spread positivity, be positive and be a cause of positive motivation for others, so that, and try to help others so that the hurdles into your ways could be cleared easily.